Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to explain data analytics case study example in travel industry. Coming to the travel industry is highly dynamic, facing challenges such as fluctuating demand, complex pricing structures, and need for personalized customer experience. Among them, let us take an example of MakeMyTrip.com. It is a India travel specialist. Next, coming to the company overview, that is MakeMyTrip company's overview. It is an online travel service portal and it is focused on the leisure and small business traveler coming to India. And and the founder of the MakeMyTrip is Deep Kalra, CEO of MakeMyTrip, and objective to tap the potential of the huge of US dollars 1.5 billion NRI market worldwide. Then coming to the tourism market in India, the increased number of foreign tourists and increased travels by Indians to domestic and overseas destinations. In 2003, the number of Indians traveled abroad increased by 30% to 4.5 million. Airlines receives 15% of their business through internet sales. In 2003, revenue generated $26 billion and 12% of travel services. Then coming to the online interface of MMT, that is MakeMyTrip, and offline interface and the backend operations. Coming to the online interface, the customer will have the interface with real-time airline booking, hotel reservation system, car rental interfaces, and then it is give rise to MakeMyTrip sales and MakeMyTrip ticketing, FedEx to the customer. Coming to the backend operations, to the MakeMyTrip operations, there will be so many links such as airlines, consolidators, car rentals, hotels, tour operators, net carrots, MMT sales, that is a MakeMyTrip sales, website content. This is the working model of MakeMyTrip. Then there are two main strategies that MakeMyTrip uses that make it different from the rest of the online travel portal, that are STP and SWOT analysis. Coming to the STP, that is segmentation and targeting. Coming to the segmentation, the demographic segmentation, behavioral segmentation, and psychographic segmentation. These are the three types of segmentations used in MakeMyTrip operation. And coming to the targeting, people who book tickets and accommodations online and people looking for complete holiday packages and business travelers and the budget travelers. There are many type of targetings. For example, these are the four types of targeting where different types of travelers will come under this. Then coming to the P, that is positioning in STP. Coming to the positioning in this, online flights and accommodation booking, traveling consultant and blogs, early check-ins, breakfast and Wi-Fi, zero cancellation charges, 24/7 customer support, hassle-free travel and transparent holiday packages. These are the main positioning criteria used in STP. Like in 24/7 customer support are all many more important to the customers who travel daily. Then coming to the SWOT analysis, there are four types. Among that, S means strengths, W means weaknesses, O means opportunities, and T means threats. Coming to the strengths, the earliest market entrant present in international market and secure payment channels comes under the strengths of the MakeMyTrip or any other travel industry. Coming to the weaknesses, the people reluctance to use online payment method and people prefer to use travel agents instead of websites. Like many of them will prefer to the offline payments and offline connections with any other person or any other system, the online portals will be more insecure. That means it may cause any the problem in the payments and other things. And then coming to the opportunities, most people using traditional methods and untapped sections of international tourist markets. These are the opportunities of travel industry. And coming to the threats, there are lack of coordination with the tourism entities, newly emerging online booking portals, competitors having substantial market share in the international market. These are the main threats. One of the threat is coordination. That means it may be a language a problem for the people who are coordinating or communicating, and many other things. Then coming to the background of the travel industry data analysis, the industry overview. The travel industry is highly dynamic, facing challenges such as fluctuating demand, complex pricing structures, and need for the personalized customer experiences. Some of the challenges are faced by the big data analytics on travel industry. They are optimizing operations. The travel companies need to optimize various aspects to their operations, including pricing, strategies, resource allocation, and customer interactions to stay competitive and enhance customer satisfaction. There are some solutions to this. One is data collection, predictive analytics, and dynamic pricing. Coming to the data collection, the travel companies gather data from multiple sources, including online bookings, customer interactions, social media, weather forecasts, and external events. And coming to the predictive analysis, the utilizing of big data technologies such as machine learning and predictive analytics companies can analyze historical data to predict future trends in travel patterns, customer preferences, and market demand. And then dynamic pricing, it is implementing dynamic pricing strategies allows the companies to adjust prices in real time based on factors like demand, sensationality, and competitor pricing. This ensures optimal revenue generation. Then coming to the conclusion, from this study, one can understand the Make My Trip app excels in the online travel portal space through unparalleled data analytics. Its sophisticated data-driven approach leverages user behavior patterns, preferences, and historical data to personalize recommendations, optimize pricing strategies, and enhance the user interface. This enables Make My Trip to provide targeted offers, dynamic pricing, and a seamless booking journey, setting it apart as a leader in the travel industry. That's all about the topic. Thank you.